How to scan for malware using Windows Security in Windows 11. Alongside the antivirus program on your PC, you can use Windows Defender to scan for threats like malware, malicious software intended to harm your device or data that might be affecting your system. To access Windows Defender, open Settings from the Start menu, and then select Privacy and Security from the navigation menu. On the Privacy and Security page, select Windows Security. On the Windows Security page, under the Protection Areas section, select Virus and Threat Protection. The Virus and Threat Protection page shows the status of your antivirus software and allows you to activate Microsoft Defender. Once you expand the Microsoft Defender Antivirus Options drop-down menu, you may need to scroll down to access the toggle. Click the toggle to activate Microsoft Defender. Now that Defender is active, you can choose the type of scan you want to perform. Click Scan Options. Microsoft Defender provides 4 options to scan your PC. The Quick Scan takes the least amount of time and does a basic search for malware in commonly used files and folders. The Full Scan performs a thorough scan by checking every file, folder, and running program on your PC. It could take over an hour to finish. The Custom Scan allows you to specify which files, folders, and programs to scan for malware. Finally, the Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan reboots your system and searches for malware before the Windows operating system starts. This is useful for removing more stubborn malware not detected by the other scan types. To scan your system for malware, choose one of the scan options. In this case, select Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan, then click Scan Now. You will be asked to confirm if you want to restart your PC, and be reminded to save any work before proceeding, as the system will reboot to begin the scan. Click Scan to reboot the PC and initiate the scan. After a moment, the scan will begin. Once the scan completes, your PC reboots, and you can log back in as usual.